Good morning all. In the coming video I am going to explain about a past paper solution which is for AS level sound and video editing chapter, and the past paper is May-June 2017 paper 2 past paper. So here you have to download the past paper and the source file from the Cambridge website, and open the question paper and try to do it yourself with your practical knowledge. That's important. The analytical skill, what the question demands, you have to understand. So first of all, try to do it yourself, and if you have any doubt in any question, you just go and check my tutorial. The coming video is the tutorial about that, so you can check the tutorial, and so that will increase your analytical skill if you do that, if you analyze the question first. Okay, so let's go to the video. All the best. So we will continue with the video here. So we are going to do the past paper, that is S17 QP2, that is May-June 2017 QP2. So let us open the question and just analyze it. So here the question is, it's question 2, that is where the sound and audio editing video starts. So TTS has been commissioned to create a short video to promote a forthcoming Protecting Nature conference in London during January 2018. You have been provided the following files. The files are leaves.mp4, flowers.mp4, bee.mp4, countryside.mp3, dogcall.wav. So we will just open our file, our source file, that is given, provided. So here we need to check whether all the files are there. So here b.mp4, countryside, dogcall, flowers, leaves, these all files are present here. So we will just start the question paper. So I just opened my movie maker. So movie maker is here, my one project is there. So the first question, you are required to create a video for showing with an aspect ratio of 16:9 widescreen and a resolution of 1280 into 720 pixels. So here 16:9 widescreen we have to select from the movie maker, that is in the home, in the project option it's already widescreen, so no issue for that. So widescreen is selected here. Sometimes they will ask for 4:3 selection, so here widescreen is fine, so we selected that. Now come to home. The next question is, its resolution should be 1280 and 720 pixel. This is the last portion actually. When we export the video it should be like this. Okay, so let's leave it there. Now we will start the remaining question paper. So there must be a transition between the video clips, so we can add different transition between each of the video clip. Okay, so that's another information they are providing. While doing it you can do this transition effect also, they will not tell it again. And the new video must begin with a title clip 4 seconds long, the text Protecting Nature displayed for 2 seconds, and the text January 2018 displayed for the remaining 2 seconds, and the text must be in a wide 48 pt sans serif font and in the center of the frames. So we will just do this question for now. It's very easy. Click on the title button, and the first option is Protecting Nature. Type the Protecting Nature. Now the setting is, the title should be 4 seconds long. So from the edit option, you can select the total duration of the title, that is 4 seconds. Okay, so that is 4 seconds we selected. Now we can select the title duration, that is 2 seconds long. Okay, so you can select that 2 seconds long. Now we can copy one more title, because it's actually 2 seconds, same thing, we don't need to do the setting anymore. Now here edit the title. The next question is January 2018 displayed for the remaining 2 seconds. So here we can type January 2018. Okay, so and it should be in the wide 48 pt sans serif font. Okay, so we can just check whether it is 48 pt sans serif font. The first text here, font size should be 48 pt sans serif. It should be sans serif. So if the font is not available, sometimes the font will not be supportive, so you can go with the same font which is almost look like the same font. Okay, yeah, so now the first question is over and it is in the center of the frames already. It is done. Now add the leaves.mp4 video clip after the title frame. Then this question, trim the clip so that it is 5 seconds long. Add the caption, a chance to hear about how to protect our environment, in the same white 48 pt sans serif font and in the center of the frame. So according to the next question, we will just open our files. We need the leaves.mp4, so we will just drag it to the movie maker and add it here. Now the leaves.mp4 is added. It's loading here. Yeah, it's loaded. If you play, you can see that. Okay, so we added that. Now trim the clip so that it is 5 seconds long. So select the clip and go to edit. Trim tool is there. You can set the end point. It should be 5 seconds long. Okay, click on the trim option and from the end point you can select. You can just click here and type 5. That means now it is 5 seconds long. Okay, now the video is 5 seconds long. So total 4 seconds the title, 5 seconds the video, total 9 seconds. Okay, now next question is, add the caption, a chance to hear about how to protect our environment. So we can just copy it from the question paper itself. No need to type and waste your time. And you can add a caption here. From the home page there is an option called caption and you can paste it there. Just right click, paste it. Okay, and it should be in the center of the frame, so you can just place it in the at the center here. Okay, and it should be 48 pt the size. Okay, after that you can put it at the center. Just put it to the center. Adjust it according to your convenience. Okay, so now it is in the center. Now after that, so that question is also over. Now add the flowers.mp4 video clip after the leaves clip. So the next one, flowers.mp4, we are just dragging it to here, flowers.mp4. And in the question paper they already said we can add, there must be a transition between video clips, so we have to add the transition effects also. Now we didn't add anything, so here click on the first video and give a transition effect. So in the animation option there's a transition effect. You can see any effect you can give. Okay, any effect you can give, it's your choice. Okay, so I'm just giving this effect, and for the next video another transition effect I am giving, which is anything you can give. Okay, yeah, I selected this one. Okay, so now you can see that if you play the video you can see that protecting nature, January 2018, and the video is coming here. Okay, now the total video is playing. Okay, so you can click on back to movie maker, it will come back to the video. Now we added the next video, that is flowers.mp4, and the question is, trim the flowers clip so that it is 7 seconds long with the caption, an international conference with noted scientists, in the same white PPT 48 PPT sans serif font and in the center of the frame. So first you have to copy the caption so that we don't need to type it, and here it should be 7 seconds long. So click on the video, edit, trim tool, and it should be 7 seconds. Endpoint should be 7. Start point is 0. Endpoint should be 7 seconds. Save it. Now it is also saved. Okay. Now next thing here, the video, the second video we created is about 5 seconds long. Same way the text timing also should be done. Text duration also should be done. So in the text duration, should be 1 minute. Yeah, text duration should be about 3 points. Yeah, it's fine. 4 seconds it is starting, so no issue for that. Next is this video's caption that we have to add. So for adding the caption, select the video, then home, caption. We can paste the caption here so that it will come like this. Okay, so here we can paste our already here an international conference. That thing we can paste it here by right clicking and pasting. Okay, so here it is pasted now. So that caption is also added. International conference 48 PT. Yeah, fine, it is added now. Next is add the b.mp4 video clip after the flowers clip. b.mp4 video clip after the flowers clip. So simple question, same like that. You have to go to b.mp4, add it to the end. Okay, now next thing is trim the b clip to the end after the b leaves the frame. So that's a question. So if you play, we'll just play here. Look, a b is there here, a b is here. So trim the video so that after the b leaves, just after the b leaves, you need to trim it. Okay, so for that we need to go to trim tool again, and we will, it's a 10-second video. So like this we can give, means in the arrow you can click, down arrow you can click, and you can, or you can just scroll. Yeah, just click it, then it is going backwards actually. So let us check. Yeah, B came, so it should be out of the frame, so you can go further front. Yeah, now it is correct. Save the trim. Okay, now it is also trimmed. Yeah, so trim the B clip after the end of the leaf frames, after the B leaves the frame, so it is trimmed. Now add the caption lengthen to appear after 1 second and show for 3 seconds. So add the caption lengthen to appear 1 second after and show for 3 seconds. That means you need to add a caption here. It should be lengthen, and it's for, sorry, yeah, here start time after 1 second. After 1 second means it should be 14:20. And leave for 3 seconds. Very simple question. So after 1 second, that's the main thing. That means it was 13:20, it's starting. So after 1 second means 14:20, and text duration should be for 3 seconds. Then add the caption January 2018 to show the remainder of the clip. The text must be in a black 48 pt sans serif font. Okay, and these captions must be center aligned at the bottom of the frames. Okay, So London, this question we done. Next is add the caption January 2018 to show for the remainder of the clip. So after remainder of the clip means the remaining portion of the clip, you need to add that, and these captions must be center aligned at the bottom of the page. Okay, so London caption should be center aligned at the bottom of the frames. Okay, so caption London, and it should be 48 pt. It is already said all the time things should be 48 pt, and its color should be black, so you can select black. Center of the frame, yeah, it is now in the center of the frame. And after that, for the remaining video, you can add the next option, that is the next caption is January 2018, and the text must be in a black, same. So here, from here we can just paste January 2018. We can just align it like this so that it will be in one line. Yeah, so we'll just whole video from the first. Yeah, so transition added, chance to hear about how to protect our environment, next transition, next video, next caption came, after that the B video came, London came, then the B leaves the frame, and the video is finished protecting nature. Again it is coming. So here one transition we didn't do. From this video to this video you have to do a transition effect, that we can do. Any transition effect, just select it. Yeah, select it. So it will be like this, you can see. So look, the transition effect came. Okay, so here you can go back and save or export the movie as natureconference.mp4. okay, so that was the last question. So how to save and export natureconference.mp4, that is the name you have to give, and the main thing is its size should be 1280 into 720 pixel wide. For that you have to click on file, not save project. Save project also you can do. First save the project. So save the project in your folder. Which folder you need to save? Just select the folder official stuff, school stuff, and details. So you can save the project like this. Anywhere you can save the project. Just open your folder and save the project. So here I am saving here, saving. After that you can you can save the movie. So just click on save the movie. Recommended for this project. 1 minute. We have to check the, okay, our pixel is 1 minute. Yeah, 1280 into 720 pixel. So we have to check that when you are for computer. We can do one thing. Yeah, we got it. This one, 1280 into 720 pixel. Just click it, and you can select same way the folder you can select. Yeah, so you can give a name here. The name they are telling is natureconference.mp4. just save it. So when you are saving, it will show exporting, saving movie. It will take some time for that because it's a movie with great size. It's according to the clip seconds of the movie or the frames of the movie, it is showing like that. So now that particular video editing part is over. In the next video or the next part we will do the audio portion. So now this movie is finished saving, so you can open folder, you can see that movie in the current folder. Yeah, just open it. We'll just play the movie. Yeah, the movie is playing. Yeah, the movie is finished. Okay, so next part or the remaining part, there will be the audio editing question. So we will go to that audio editing.